My name is Vishnundran, coming from Ottapalam. I am studied at AJK College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I enjoyed bus visiting and college life.
I got selection in Palakkad service through campus interview. Currently, I am working in TCS Mumbai as a system administrator.
I have completed my Bachelor of Computer Application from the AJK College of Arts and Science. Now I am working in Infosys as a developer. I have got this job opportunity by the campus placement provided by AJK College of Arts and Science.
I completed my MSc Computer Science from AJK College of Arts and Science. Currently, I am working in Solar Technologies as a Associate Software Engineer.
I am a student of this college, that is AJKCAS. I have been here since 15-18 pass out. This is a good college where you can come out with flying colors especially. And what I have experienced over here is the best ambience, infrastructure, what all given by is better than any other college that you can get. You have best facilities.